Adorn, meaning. Adorn means to decorate or add beauty to something, often by placing attractive items or embellishments on it. It refers to making something more visually appealing. Definition: adorn is a verb that means to enhance the appearance of something or someone, usually by adding ornaments, decorations, or other embellishments. Examples in sentences. 1. She used flowers to adorn the table for the wedding reception. Here, adorn refers to decorating the table with flowers to make it more beautiful. 2. The artist adorned the walls with colorful paintings to brighten up the room. In this sentence, adorn refers to adding paintings to decorate and enhance the appearance of the walls. Usage: adorn is commonly used when discussing the act of adding decorative elements to enhance the beauty of a space, person, or object.
English practice.